Okay, so we're going to do this review. Waiting for it to load right now. Might as well calibrate. Wait. Alright. Just waiting for it to load. And here we go. Okay, so on our review, we know for a parallelogram, opposite sides are equal. So if AB is 5, then DC is also 5. If AD is 4, we know BC is also 4. Easy. Now, angle D is 67. That means the opposite angle, angle B, is 67. However, angle A and angle C are not 67, okay? Angle D and angle A are supplementary. So 180 minus 67 is 113. And that'll be these missing angles. Those opposite angles are also congruent. Okay? So, when we get down here to another parallelogram, specifically a rhombus, we know that all the sides are congruent. And if all the sides are congruent, I'm going to set these two sides equal to each other. 7x minus 13 equal sign 4x plus 5. When x is on both sides, we get rid of the smaller x. So minus 4x minus 4x. So I get 3x. Bring down minus 13 equals 5. Get rid of the minus 13 by adding 13. And I get 3x equals 18. Last step to get rid of that 3. We divide by 3. Then I get x equals 18 over 3, which is 6. Now, x is 6. Now I'm looking for st. Well, st is 4x plus 5, right? Now I know what x is. X is 6. I'm going to replace x with 6. 4 times 6, and then plus 5. So 4 times 6 is 24. 24 plus 5 is 29. ST is 29 units because I plugged in X that I got, which was 6. Alright, down here, isosceles trapezoid. If I connect two midpoints, I get what's called a mid-segment. And we learned, to find the mid-segment, you add up the two bases and divide by 2. 30 plus 50 divided by 2, so you get 80 over 2, which is 40. You're basically averaging the two bases by adding them up and dividing by 2. That's how you do mid-segment. Okay? On a kite, there is one pair of congruent angles that are across from each other. Okay? So if you know 112, you know A is also 112. However, B is not 82. B is not 82. Dang it. Okay. So here's what you're going to do. You're going to take the three angles you know and add them up to what? So this is a four-sided figure. Right? 4 minus 2 times 180 will give me the sum. So 360 is the sum of the interior angles. Okay? So let's add these up. 82 plus 112 plus 112 plus B equals 360 inside of a four-sided figure. Adding these up, I get 306 plus B equals 360. And then 6 for both sides, and I get 54. B is 54 degrees, not 82. Okay, so it's only one pair of congruent angles in a kite. Alright, on a rectangle, we know opposite sides are equal. So this equals this. 7a minus 34 equals 5a minus 2. Get rid of your smaller a. Bring down minus 34 and negative 2. Get rid of the loner. Add 34 to both sides. You get 32, and then you divide by 2. And you get a equals half of 32, which is 16. Then, for my b's, I know these opposite sides are congruent. 6b equals 30. Just divide by 6, and I get 5. Alright, that's your quiz is just like this, okay?